board member and executive partner in SMART for electrical indices. Actually, I would like to talk about CHINT and SMART partnership, and I'm happy to have been offered this chance to talk about it. CHINT is considered one of the famous companies in the field of electrical indices worldwide. And I've got to know CHINT during one of my frequent visits in Dubai, and I attended Dubai Fair, and I've been acquainted, during this visit, I've been acquainted with the product itself and the reliability of the product and the strong presence of CHINT in many countries. So it was an intention from our side as partners to have a deal with strong deal and partnership with CHINT. And ever since that time, we started to negotiate and paid frequent visits to CHINT premises in order to close such a deal. And it was a great success to close it in a good way, and in a fair and good way, actually. And ever since that time, we started to promote and penetrate the market with the product itself.
One.
For the partnership with CHINT, it's actually focused on in the field of transformers and medium voltage activity. The big challenges which we faced during the period of the product obligation with the utility and Ministry of Electricity. It took us some time to almost 4 months to get the approval and to test the products, back and forth discussion with the people in the Ministry of Electricity, and finally we succeeded to have this approval, which is considered to be the gate of promotion and penetrating the product in the market and in the different segments, actually. And encouraging many consultants, very active consultants, to approve the product as well and to be included in the vendor list of those consultants. Nowadays, CHINT and SMART are considered to be a strong competitor considered by big multinational companies actually working in Egypt and very active in Egypt. They consider us as very strong competitor regarding the quality, regarding the price, regarding the reliability and the commitment, actually. So based on this issue, we started to react with the market conditions, and which is very changing a lot, actually. Our competitors started, in order to face such competition, started to drastically reduce their prices in order to be able to compete and to offer reasonable price for their products. CHINT SMART is now standing on a solid basis in Egypt to go for very successful business in the near future, which are expected, and we are continuing our efforts and process to get the approval from different sectors, like the new capital, like Al Alamein city, and we got it actually. We'll be having a visit in 2 days' time. We will be having a visit for the assessment of the product and the factory by the new capital people in order to be approved and obligated to be included in the vendor list and to go for the huge business they have actually in new capital.
One.
For the pandemic, actually, I would like to talk briefly about the negative impact caused by the pandemic. And nowadays, we are suffering from the slowdown of the private sector projects. For that purpose, as I mentioned, our main competitors are reducing the prices, and it is a big challenge actually. For that purpose, we are trying to go in another direction, to go for the quality, to go for the specs influence. We started to influence our consultants with the proper solution offered by CHINT and SMART. So this is one of the success factor actually to bring business, and we succeeded to bring business last month in our main city, and we'll be having good chance in new capital as well with big projects.
حضرتك لما تكون جاهز تسجل، انا بسجل اوريدي.
ماشي. Yes, I can.
اتفضل.
I would like to say that CHINT should be continuing with their efforts and support to us, because I believe that in the near future Egypt is considered to be a high potential country, very promising and rapidly growing in the market in terms of economics. So I believe that we'll be having many issues to open in different segments and to introduce new products in the market. So I'm sure and I'm confident that CHINT is aware of these issues, and thanks for the support we are getting from them. Thank you.